Hi everyone, Todd from Walnut Ridge again. I'm going to touch base today. Maintenance on your RV. Cannot stress this enough, folks. Just like your house, there's maintenance that has to be done to keep your house up and running, operating. I mean, whether it be water heater, furnace, I mean, you have issues. A lot more maintenance required on so act like you're pulling your house down the road. Things shift, things move, your sealants. I mean, it just, unfortunately, it's just an ongoing battle, but you've got to keep up on your maintenance. You've got a lot of money invested in your travel trailer, fifth wheel, toy hauler, motorhome, whatever the case may be. None of them are cheap. You've spent your hard-earned money. You need to maintain them. A lot of people kind of forget, or they do not know what all they need to do. If you have any questions, you can call into us, the service department. Any of the 4 advisors can answer those questions for you, get you scheduled. If you have questions about your maintenance, what you need to do. But I'm going to run through a few things. Your roof, obviously the heart and soul of your camper. You need to clean and condition that rubber roof membrane at least once a year, whether you do it yourself, bring it in, have it professionally done by us. That has to be done. Check the sealants on your roof every 90 days. Spot seal where needed. I mean, it's out in the elements. I mean, it's just, you're gonna save yourself a lot of money in the long run. Also, wheel bearing repacks. You're pulling this thing all over the place. I mean, but I haven't run that many miles. I've only pulled it 1,000, 1,500 miles in the last 2 years. Well, the manufacturer recommends every year or 5,000 miles. So whichever comes first, just like your car. I don't drive my car that much. It's okay, it's set in your driveway for 6-7 months. I don't need to change the oil in it. It's just sitting there. I don't need to check the tire pressure. I don't need to look for dry rot on the tires. Yes, you do, because it's just been sitting there not moving. So sitting there not moving, hard on your car, hard on the RV as well. Insurance companies, I've been seeing this a lot here lately. You have an insurance claim, say you got hit or a tree branch clipped the side of your unit, you got some water damage on the inside. They have been asking for maintenance records from the dealership, not just ours. I mean, it's so with them paying out a $8,000 or $10,000 claim, they have been asking for maintenance records. So that's gonna. I've had all my maintenance done on it. I've had a basic maintenance done, a premium. I've had everything done. So you've got all your T's crossed, your I's dotted. Not going to be an issue, but just to let everybody know that I have been seeing that with the insurance companies where they're wanting to us to produce maintenance records for customers. So that's another given. Not to say hopefully nothing ever does happen, but if it does happen, you've got peace of mind that you're safe, you've done all your maintenance, and if there happened to be an accident where you had to turn in an insurance claim, you can produce those maintenance records where they're not going to deny your claim. So I hope all this information helps, and have a great day.